WordPress Playground is an interesting innovation by the WordPress community. It allows you to create WordPress sites inside the browser with the power of WebAssembly without installing anything. So we thought, why not add the import site support for WordPress Playground into InstaWP? Let's have a look at it. I have a WordPress site here in front of me, and I have added a post, a media, a plugin, just to create a good WordPress site with some content. Next, you go on the top right, click on download as zip, and it will download a zip file in your local system. Once you have done that, go to InstaWP, click on the staging tab, and then click on the import site tab and choose WordPress Playground as the backup source. We allow to import from various sources like Updraft, Duplicator, and there are more support for more tools which is coming very soon. Click on this area or drag and drop your zip file which you have exported in previous step here. It will take a moment to upload depending upon the size of your website. Click on next. Here, click on a site name or enter a site name, excuse me. I'm going to do WP Play 11 July, which is today's date. Going to select a location of my server, which is US for now, and going to select the latest version of WordPress and PHP is 8.0, and you can select even the latest version. So we can actually do 8.1 for this demo and click on import site. The next step is going to create an InstaWP site for you, and in that site the import process will start and it will take a moment for it to complete. So let's wait for it. All right, so the site has been imported and it is ready for us to view. So let's have a look at it by clicking on the arrow. As you can see, the site is now imported. If we scroll down, you can see the new post which was added by us in the playground area. Going back to the staging area in your InstaWP account, closing this button right here, we have a new interesting option which will allow you to migrate this site which we just imported to any hosting of your choice. You can either host it with us, which is InstaWP Live, or you can host it with one of our direct integration provider, or the third option is you can migrate the site via our plugin by simply providing a URL of your destination site. It's that easy. Effectively, we are able to migrate a playground site which you built in your browser, import it into InstaWP, and then migrate it anywhere or any hosting panel of your choice. Thanks for watching this video today and have a great day.